Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT, stock number Z9514XXA. 45,000 miles on this local trade, comes to us with a clean auto check history report, a brilliant black in color. You do receive the balance of the factory, 5 years, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Power sliding doors on both sides of the van. Seat 7, cloth interior. Stone Go seating allows the second and third row to fold flat into the floor. Third row seats 3. Rear heat and air control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Windows do go down in the sliding doors along with power venting rear quarter windows. Power liftgate for convenience. Deep storage wall behind the third row, lots of space for cargo or for those seats to fold back into. Hooks on the back side, perfect for plastic grocery bags. Folding those seats is as easy as 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can, of course, fold them in any combination, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. Very clean, as you can see, no dents or dings in the body. Sliding doors operate off the key fob or a simple pull of the handle. High back bucket seats in the middle row. Recline, slide forward and back. Have hooks in the seats for latch system to keep child seats completely secure. This SXT has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Read gauges, cruise control, easy to operate radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable. Auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices. 3-zone temperature control, driver, passenger, and rear heat and air. Lots of storage space in the center console. And dual glove boxes with the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Grand Caravan is a 3.6 liter V6, 283 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the van. Fluid points are marked in yellow, so it's a quick glance. Anything you want to check on your own. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway. New brakes and approximately 40% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Grand Caravan, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.